Assalamualaikum. My name is MD Hassanul Kovir. So I'm going to show my system, a smart attendance management system based on face recognition. So first we have to open the gem. Here I already opened the Apache and MySQL. Then we have to go to the web browser. Here I'm using Chrome. Then write localhost and system.php. Then this is the main user interface where a student and teacher can log in. So if I go to the student login, you can see. So I have already registered. So if I just put my password, so it will redirect to me to the home page for the student. Then let me show the sign up. If I sign up, then below. Then yeah, this is the home page for the new registered student. And now let's see, go to the lecturer login. It's here, lecturer for new registration for the lecturer. So the lecturer can go to the login to the system. So this is the lecturer homepage. So here lecturer can see student details, ED student and new student and DD student. So let's see that new student here to add status no data product well then enter student successful. Then if a lecturer want to see the details, the registered student, then click on Robin, then search, it will be show the student details of Robin. And if lecturer want to edit, here also can search and then find the details and edit if any required. Then also click the delete button if you want to delete the student, then delete and okay, successful. Then this is the activate or deactivate class. So here you can see that artificial class is active. So let's make it deactivate first. Then lecturer can open whatever subject they want to take the attendance. First here they will select artificial intelligence. Now let's activate artificial intelligence. Okay. Then log out. Then go to the student page. S1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then log in. Okay. So here we can see now artificial intelligence. No, this is class. Artificial intelligence give attendance button is available. For the other courses, it is deactivated. That's why it's not available in here. Okay. So for artificial intelligence, if they give attendance button, then the window will be open. Then click the Q button. Then it's detect my face. So here, if I can see, check to the attendance list. I can see my attendance is here. Now you can see like 424, it's already present. So for the other subject also you can see now there is no data because there is no attendance taken for data mining. So let's log out and go to the lecture login. Login. So if the lecturer want to see the attendance, artificial intelligence, just click here. Here you can see that this time is sun is present because the face is matched. So if anyhow there is any absent student for lecturer they want to update, then simply click here. Then write the name and sun. Then click make absent. Any issues, yeah, it will be changed to absent. So that's all. Thank you.